I have traveled all the way to Oahu, Hawaii. And what I really want to do with this trip is not only highlight some really cool things on the island, but I also really want to highlight some really cool species of reptiles that are also on this island. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to check out the island, highlight some really cool adventures, as well as we're going to see what reptiles we can find. What do you say? Let's go. My name is Nick Pulaski. Growing up, I have always had a passion for wildlife. And with that passion, along with my passion of filmmaking, I get taken on some amazing adventures creating wildlife content, getting up close with a variety of incredible animals. So come follow along as I pursue my goals of educating, inspiring, exploring, and conserving wildlife, all while having fun, seeing the beauty in our natural world. want to make it a point where I'm taking you along on my adventures and really making you feel like you're here and doing some educational things along the way and checking out some really cool animals. So thank you guys again. You guys mean the world to me. I appreciate all of you. So I have a plane to catch, so without further ado, if you guys could do me a couple favors, if you could like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it, as well as hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Definitely check me out on my social media as well too, because throughout this adventure I've been posting a whole bunch there and you guys don't want to miss it, especially when I post my next adventures too, because we have a lot of cool content on the way. It's starting to rain here. I'm going to close this video out. Thank you guys again for watching, and until next time, we will see you guys soon. Aloha!